Hello everyone and welcome back. And welcome to another Stock Lock Sunday. I haven't been able to participate in the last couple, but the lock I have in front of me today is this brand new Brava Oval cylinder. I received this from Paul Springett, aka Crank, all the way from Australia. I mean, he is a huge supporter here in the community. I mean, he is so generous to everybody here in the lock sport community. But he sent me this brand new Brava Oval cylinder. So we're going to see if we can pick this for a Stock Lock Sunday, because this is just a brand new Stock Lock. It's even got some extra tail pieces. Ooh, it has a decent bidding. I actually haven't even opened this since I got it in the package, and that has a really nice bidding. So 1, 2, 3, 4, I guess six pins. Yep, brand new lock. But let's get this thing in a vise and see if we get it open. Looks like it's quick set type of keyway. Alright, let's grab the vise here. Put it in there and we'll see if we get this thing open. The last lock I picked exactly like this was the spider lock that my buddy Bill Bacardi has. And alright, well, just going to, oh, that tail piece is hitting the vise really good there. Won't even hardly turn. I think I'm gonna have to put it up here maybe. Huh, alright. Actually, let me zoom this in for us. Almost forgot to do that too. And my lighting seems horrible. I don't know what's going on here. Alright, well that's gonna have to be good enough, I guess. I don't know what's going on with the lighting here. I think I need to pop this paper out a little farther or something. Alright, but it'll have to be good enough for now. And with that type of bidding, oh, actually let me use this pick here from Das Evers. It's got a pretty nice hook to it. Alright, I think this is pin 4 and I can't even hardly get under it. Might have already overset it, trying to get underneath it. Might have to go to a shorter hook. Alright, well I got a click out of it that time. Oh, now I'm trying to get under, I think, 5 or 6. Got some low pins. Alright, well I'm not sure what happened with that one. That's a little click from 3. Tiny click from 1. Oh, and I think that was pin 2. And we're open. Awesome. Alright, well that was not as hard as I thought it was going to be. Sweet. Alright, well let's put it down here. Let me see if I can do something with this lighting. I am not liking that. I don't know what's going on here. Alright. Yeah, my main printer that I print my trays in multicolor went down last week. I just got it actually up and running today, but I have still not been able to make myself pink tray. And this month is Breast Cancer Awareness Month. I again want to thank everybody that's been involved. I mean, that has been awesome. Alright, well, we have a key here. And it still works fine. I don't know why I did that. But let's find my screwdriver. And you know what? Oh, there goes my lighting. That's too much light. My tape came undone. I think I have my screwdriver over here. Sorry about that. It was over by my printer. I think this is probably all standards in here. Tell you the honest truth, I didn't feel anything. No falset, nothing. It's got a nice bitting though. Could actually make a nice challenge lock. I don't know if I'm going to do that or if I'll just put it back together and just, you know, keep it in my collection as a new lock. Alright, oh, we do have pink follower here. And I pretty much buried that, that shim. All 6 pins, all working, really nice. Now has to be picked. Standard, standard, standard. Yeah, all standards. I don't think those are steel. They look it, but yeah, they are. Those are all steel pins. Wow. I won't be cutting those. If anything, if I do make a challenge lock, it'll have some different pins, that's for sure. Alright, well, nothing done to the core. I didn't think so. If I get that shim out of there. Alright. Like I said, I'm pretty sure we're just going to have all standards everywhere. Standard. Standard. These are all steel pins though. I don't think I've ever seen that. I can't do that because I got all the springs here. But they're just all standards anyway. Nothing special, nothing to look at there. Those are all just steel springs too. But yeah, I'll just give you a quick look here. I'll just zoom it up real quick. But you can see it's just basically all standard pins. And it was actually a pretty easy pick. So yeah. But that's my Stock Lock Sunday. Thank you guys for coming, and I hope you enjoyed it anyway. And if you did, please hit that like button. If you have any questions or comments, you could comment below. And yeah, everyone, please be safe and stay legal. Thanks, guys. Bye.